My father was an immigrant from Poland. My mother was born in this country, but her first language was Yiddish. And I grew up in New Jersey. It was a different orientation. Like, a story I like to tell is that I was a little girl, maybe 11 or 12, I don't know. Somebody, rang the doorbell. It's our friend, a family friend. Is Jack home? Jack? What Jack? There's no Jack living here. Oh, sorry. Is Jake home? Is Jake home? Jake? Who's Jake? Jake? Oh, Jacob. Oh, my father. Because my mother always called my father Yankel. So I didn't know Jack. I didn't know Jake. I hardly knew Jacob. I knew Yankel. So when someone rang the bell and asked for Jack, I thought, what's happened? What's wrong? Who lives here named Jack? So it permeated, like they didn't speak Yiddish, but it permeated into, I don't know, the atmosphere.